Natural home remedies for kidney stones. The most important thing you can do for your kidney health is to take care of your body to reduce your chances of developing diseases that put a strain on your kidneys. To prevent kidney stones, you need to know what caused your kidney stone. It is a solid piece of material that forms in a kidney when substances that are normally found in the urine become highly concentrated. Kidney stones are caused by high levels of calcium, oxalate, and phosphorus in the urine. The best way of preventing kidney stones is to make sure you drink plenty of water each day to avoid becoming dehydrated. It is very important to keep your urine diluted to avoid waste products forming into kidney stones. So, what is the best way to treat and get rid of kidney stones? Hey, before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Let's start. The best way to treat and get rid of kidney stones is add lemon to your water. This is a natural treatment that conventional nephrologists have gotten right. While lemon water is often touted as a cleansing or alkalizing drink, the main reason it is helpful in reducing stone formation is its citric acid content. Citric acid inhibits stone formation and breaks up small stones that are beginning to form. The more citric acid in your urine, the more protected you are against forming new kidney stones. Citric acid makes urine less favorable for the formation of stones. It prevents small stones from becoming problem stones by coating them and preventing other material from attaching and building onto the stones. Lemons and limes have the most citric acid. Pharmacological doses of citric acid, prescribed as potassium citrate, are effective in the treatment of stones. However, treatment may be costly and require as many as 12 tablets daily. A half cup 4 ounces of pure lemon juice per day or 32 ounces of prepared lemonade provide about the same amount of citric acid as does pharmacological therapy. Dilute 2 ounces lemon juice with 6 ounces water and drink twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, to reach the goal of 4 ounces lemon juice per day. Staying hydrated is key. Drinking plenty of fluids is a vital part of passing kidney stones and preventing new stones from forming. Not only does the liquid flush out toxins, but it also helps move stones and grit through your urinary tract. Although water alone may be enough to do the trick, adding certain ingredients can be beneficial. Be sure to drink 1 8-ounce glass of water immediately after drinking any flavored remedy. This can help move the ingredients through your system. Talk to your doctor before getting started with any of the home remedies listed below. They can assess whether home treatment is right for you, or if it could lead to additional complications. However, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid using any remedies. Your doctor can determine whether a juice may cause side effects for you or to your baby. 1. Water. When passing a stone, upping your water intake can help speed up the process. Strive for 12 glasses of water per day instead of the usual 8. Merely once the stone passes, you should continue to drink 8 to 12 glasses of water each day. Dehydration is one of the main risk factors for kidney stones, and the last thing you want is for more to form. Pay attention to the color of your urine. It should be a very light pale yellow. Dark yellow urine is a sign of dehydration. 2. Lemon juice. You can add freshly squeezed lemons to your water as often as you like. Lemons contain citrate, which is a chemical that prevents calcium stones from forming. Citrate can also break up small stones, allowing them to pass more easily. A great deal of lemons would be needed to make a huge effect, but some can help a little. Lemon juice has numerous other health benefits. For example, it helps inhibit bacteria growth, and provides vitamin C. Three. Basil juice. Basil contains acetic acid, which helps break down the kidney stones and reduce pain. It's also full of nutrients. This remedy has been used traditionally for digestive and inflammatory disorders. In addition, there are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents in basil juice, and it may help maintain kidney health. Use fresh or dried basil leaves to make a tea and drink several cups per day. You may also juice fresh basil in a juicer, or add it to a smoothie. You shouldn't use medicinal basil juice for more than 6 weeks at a time. Extended use may lead to low blood sugar, low blood pressure, increased bleeding. There's very little research on how effective basil is for kidney stones, but it does have antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties. Four. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid. Acetic acid helps dissolve kidney stones. In addition to flushing out the kidneys, apple cider vinegar can help ease pain caused by the stones. There are numerous other health benefits of apple cider. However, one lab study found that apple cider vinegar was effective in helping reduce the formation of kidney stones, though more studies are needed. But because of the numerous other health benefits, there's probably little risk. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and also share this video to your friends and family. But there's more. On the next video, I upload the part 2 of it, so make sure to subscribe. Which one do you try first? Comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you.